guys, it's Erin NW back here with another video. So for this style, I'm using this lemon tea tree hair and body butter by Natural Obsession Boutique, and it smells like lemon. It smells really good, kind of like a lemon candle. I'm also using Edge Booster by Style Factor, I guess, and this is the gel, and I think this is the strawberry scent that I'm using. So starting with the style, I go ahead and I begin parting my hair. I kind of knew what style, like how I wanted the parts already, and I didn't show that first braid because the angle was like really hard braiding it, because I kind of braided it, I guess, like backwards, if you will. But I went ahead and moisturized my hair with the hair and body butter, and I combed that through with my rat tail comb to make sure it was really smooth and detangled. And then I went in with my Edge Booster gel on the kind of perimeter of the section to make sure the section was smooth. And then I began braiding, and you can see exactly how I do it, but like I'll give a detailed tutorial once I become like really good at braiding. But for now, this is all because this is actually just my second braided style because I just learned how to braid. And I will leave the link below to the video that really like taught me how to braid, because I've watched so many videos and it was only this one video that really taught me how to braid. So moving on to my next section, I just continue to moisturize each section. And oh, I did not blow out my hair. I started this style on just kind of like air dried hair, and then I did put in my leave-in and my oil, and then I started doing the style. So a little about the product that I'm using. I'm using, like I said, the Natural Obsession Boutique Lemon Tea Tree Hair and Body Butter. I chose this product because I knew it was kind of like a shea butter consistency, and that's the type of product that I like to use when I'm doing a protective style on dry hair, because it gives me moisture and shine, but like without making my hair shrink up more. And so this product, it has, the ingredients say raw mango butter, shea butter, extra virgin olive oil, sunflower oil, sweet almond oil, and a number of different oils that I recognize. The full list will be down below in the description. But as you can see, I am doing some single braids, I guess mini braids, underneath where the side part will be, and then also the whole back is mini braids. And I just did this style this way because mini braids take a really long time to do, but I find that it's easier to do mini braids when I do like cornrows in the front, because that kind of goes faster. And sometimes at the ends I'll just twist it up instead of finishing out the braid, because I might run out of hair on one strand, so I just ended up twisting up the end and coiling at the end, of course. And be sure to check out Natural Obsession Boutique on Instagram and I believe their website is down right now, but you can DM them if you want to order. And the product, it did really well on my hair. My hair is still very moisturized and still very shiny, and I'm on day 4 now. And it smelled good. So if you like shea butter, whipped shea butter, and like you want it to kind of have a scent, I would definitely go with this product. A little bit goes a long way, so I think it will last you. So make sure you check out that website, and I will probably leave the link to their Instagram down below in the description as well. Okay guys, so I am finally done with my hair. I think it's been like 3 hours, maybe. Let me see what time. I think I started around 3. Oh gosh, yeah, it's 5:44. I started around 2:47, I'm pretty sure. So it's been about 3 hours. It did not, you know, I mean, that's a long time, honestly. But the front did not take that long. The front probably took like 30 minutes, honestly. It was just the back, the mini braids. So I'm gonna give y'all a little spin around. Actually, I'm gonna do slow-mos at the end, so stay tuned. If you guys made it to this point in the video, you know what time it is. Please drop a fist emoji for everything going on, you know. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys learned something, and if you liked it, make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay tuned for slow-mos.